Welcome to ReComAI YouTube channel. Learn how to train your AI chatbot after onboarding, using PDFs, documents, and custom data. First, open your Shopify admin panel. From the left sidebar, click on Apps, then select ReComAI from the panel. You'll be redirected directly to your dashboard. Go to the left sidebar and click on Knowledge Base. From the drop-down options, select AI Training. Now, on the top right, click on the Add Knowledge button. Please select the file or document you want to add. Then click on the Add button to continue. Click the Train button next to your file, then confirm to start training. Once the file training is complete, go to the left sidebar and select Chatbot. Choose your chatbot, then open the Data Source tab. Now click on the Add Data Source button. Select the file you added earlier, then click Add Data Source at the bottom. Now click on the Update button on the top right. Once done, a success message will appear on the left side. Now go to your live store and click on the bot icon. Ask a question and see how the bot responds. Let's check if the bot is responding using the uploaded PDF. Go back to AI Training, open the file, and verify the response accuracy. You can add any details about your store, such as policies, about us, contact information, and more. Let's ask one more question to check the bot's response. As usual, the bot reads the PDF and answers the customer's question. Need more help? Feel free to contact us on WhatsApp or email. We're here to assist you anytime.